Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Yashwant Paturi. I am studying BTech third year. So, in today's video, I'll show you how to create two S3 buckets and set up a replication policy in AWS. This is a very useful concept in cloud computing. It helps you automatically copy data from one bucket to another for backup or disaster recovery. Before we start, let's understand what S3 replication means. Replication is a process that copies objects from one bucket to another bucket. For example, if you upload a file to bucket-1, it will automatically appear in bucket-2. This is helpful when you want your data available in multiple regions for safety and faster access of the objects available in the bucket. So here is a login page of AWS free time. So we sign in using root user email. So we give our email ID, we give a password. If you have two-step verification, you need to give the code, otherwise not needed. So here is the home page of AWS S3 account. Here is your account ID. So according to our question, we need to create two buckets. We need to replicate from source bucket to destination bucket. To create that buckets, we need to use S3 service. To use that service, go to the search bar, type S3, click on it. So here we'll be getting create bucket option. Click on that. Okay. So you need to give your bucket name. It must be a unique name. So I am giving AWS free tier 1. Uncheck this block all public access and create a bucket. Okay, so AWS free tier 1 bucket has been created. So we need to create another bucket with the name AWS free tier 2. Same we need to uncheck all public access and done. Create bucket. Okay, as you can see, there are two buckets created, AWS Free Tier 1 and AWS Free Tier 2. So we go to AWS Free Tier 1. This is the source bucket where we have not uploaded any objects into this bucket. So the question says that we need to replicate from source bucket to destination bucket. For that, first we need to enable the bucket version. Go to Properties tab. Here you can see the bucket version. Click on Edit option, click Enable and Save Changes. Bucket versioning has been enabled. This is to keep multiple variants of an object in the same bucket. It is used to preserve and restore every version of bucket stored in S3 bucket. So this is the use of S3 bucket because we need to replicate data. That's why we need to enable the bucket version. So we go to buckets, go to AWS free tier 2, same process, go to properties tab, click on bucket version, click on enable, save changes, and AWS free tier 2 bucket versioning has been enabled. So go to your buckets, go to AWS free tier 1. To create replication from one bucket to another bucket, we need to create a rule called replication rule. To create that, go to the source bucket and click on management tab. As you can see, there is a tab called replication rules. So click on create replication. Here you can see replication rule name. You can give your own replication rule name. I'll be giving us replicate bucket. Okay. So your source bucket is AWS free tier 1 as given. So we need to click to apply to all objects in the bucket. So done. So we need to choose our destination bucket. As we have created another bucket, we need to browse S3. As you can see, AWS free tier 2. Click on it, choose the path. Okay, we need to create a IAM role for permission to access the specified resources. As we are doing replication, we need to create a IAM role which has access to replicate that. So we need to create a new role which will be created by the AWS and click on save option. It is asking, okay, so now click on submit. As you can see, we have created a replication rule. To check whether it is getting replicated from one bucket or not, go to your buckets, go to AWS free tier 1. As you can see, there is no file here, so we'll upload a file. Okay, so add files. So I am adding a file which is GitHub student pack. Click on open. It is been now upload it. Done. Close. As you can see, it has been uploaded. So we need to check in the destination bucket. So go to your buckets, go to AWS free tier 2. As you can see in AWS free tier 2, the same GitHub student pack has been updated. So this is how you replicate data from one bucket to another bucket. It's a simple but powerful feature to keep your data safe and available in multiple locations. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video. Thank you.